going to learn about the lesson souvenir. So what is the meaning of souvenir? Souvenir means a thing that is kept or bought as a reminder of something. So students, see, the chapter souvenir is about a girl, okay, and girl's 3-day trip to the moon. It has been translated from the story Bhet. This full story, this full lesson is translated from Bhet by Lakshman Londhe. Okay, so this story is translated by Lakshman Londhe from story Bhet. Okay, the writer has imagined that this is a fiction story, this is a fiction lesson, this is the fiction story of the peak on the moon. Okay, fiction means fully imaginary. Okay, so the writer has imagined that in the picture the journey between earth and the moon would become easier and be the longest possible travel. So this is the imaginary story, and this is a picnic not on the earth, this is the picnic on the moon. So it is very interesting how the Siley, the character, main character means the story follows a girl named Siley. Okay, so she has a trip, a 3 days trip, and how she spent her 3 day on the moon is explained in this story. But see, it is a fiction story, it is fully imaginary story. Okay, so see, now we will continue. Yeah, see here, with the tip of her nose pressed to the window of the space shuttle, Siley sat gazing at the view outside for so long. Still, she did not seem to be contented. Okay, means Siley, from the window of the space shuttle, she went on the moon with the help of the space shuttle. Okay, and by observing the window from of the space shuttle, Siley sat gazing. Gazing means see surprisingly, okay, or steadily. Okay, was steadily of the outside for so long. Still, she did not seem to be contented. Okay, means still she till her happiness, till her satisfied, she was gazing, she was surprisingly steadily she was observing all the view from the window. Okay, so see students, in our journey also, if we are going by aeroplane, if we are going by train, okay, from the window side also we just observe the outside scene. Like that also from the space shuttle, it was interesting, space shuttle was interesting than the train or aeroplane. Okay, so she was observing all the things from the space shuttle window. Okay, so see, she had read the description of this view several times before and had seen these scenes on the view too. Okay, so yes, she had read all the description of these views several times. Okay, before words, she read all the description of these scenes. Okay, and had seen scenes on the video too. Okay, but this was a different thing because now this time she is seeing all the things by her own eye. Okay, and reading the description was one thing, watching the pictures was watching the pictures and videos captured by the camera was another. Okay, but getting an opportunity, getting a chance to view that amazing panorama means a wide view, okay, with your own eyes, being present physically right in the middle of it, was indeed and out of the world experience. Okay, so see, here reading the description was one thing. Okay, capturing the thing, watching the videos, capturing the things by camera, it is a different thing. But getting an opportunity to view this thing by your own eyes, it's very different. Okay, so it is in the middle and it is the out of the world experience. Okay, so See here, no matter how long she sat gazing, she sat looking, she sat observing this thing, her awe and wonder did not seem to abate. Okay, means her wonder, her wonder is not did not become less. Okay, so she was surprisingly, she was surprisingly seeing all, observing all those things from the shuttle of the window. Okay, because all those things are new for her. Okay, it was a surprise for her. Okay, so see, now by moving, okay, by traveling, the earth gradually appeared to get smaller in the sky. Okay, means earth slowly appeared, appeared, gets smaller and smaller in the sky, and your blue sky now looking jet black. Azure means that bright. Okay, so bright blue, what is the color of sky? That is blue. Okay, you know that the bright blue sky was now looking jet black. Okay, means it's turning on black color. The cloud had disappeared, the stars were shining brightly. Okay, so very bright. Now see, by observing from the shuttle, space shuttle window of the space shuttle, she explained here that when they are just moving towards the moon. Okay, so at that time the sky changed the color in the black. Okay, and the earth side slowly appeared as a smaller. Okay, and the clouds had disappeared and stars were shining brightly. Okay, uh, it was a observation. Okay, how the sky, how the stars is looking. Now see, this trip to the moon was exorbitantly expensive, but still Sally's mother had sent her on the trip. Exorbitantly means beyond limit, very excessively expensive. Okay, excessively expensive, so the trip was very expensive. Still her mother sent her on the trip. Okay, so see here in paragraph, in this paragraph, there is a description of conversation between her and mother. Okay, so in our childhood we could not even think of such long distance trip. The longest trip meant going to Europe. If you are getting the opportunity, make the most of it, said her mother. Okay, so her mother is sharing the uh, her mother is sharing that her childhood experience. Okay, in their childhood they never went such a long distance trip. Okay, and the longest trip means going to the Europe, means going to another country. Okay, so that will be longest, but not going to earth to moon. That long distance trip opportunity they never get. Okay, so her mother said, if you are getting the chance, if you are getting this opportunity, so make the most of it. Okay, so see further, see, oh mama, Neha's grandmother was saying that in their childhood the longest trip of school children used to be only up to Delhi to Kolkata. It seems so funny, isn't it? Said Siley, laughing, and remembering the incident made her laugh even now. Okay, so here the Siley was sharing that Neha's grandmother, okay, was saying in their childhood the longest trip for school children used to be only from Delhi to Kolkata. Okay, and for remembering this incident, mother and she laughed even now. Okay, now see what happened further. Okay, now the shuttle was getting closer to the moon. Okay, means that space shuttle. Okay, so it was getting closer near to the moon. Okay, and then it started orbiting. Okay, so orbiting means what? Moving in a circle. Okay, moving in a circle. You know that earth rotates itself. Okay, and itself and so rotate around the earth. Okay, so then it started orbiting the moon. In every 32 minutes, the shuttle completed one revolution around the moon. Okay, so say revolution means moving around another object. Revolution means spin or moving around another object. So it's how much time it's take? 32 minutes for completing one revolution round the moon. Shuttle took 32 minutes for one revolution around the moon. Okay. Now see, light and darkness followed each other in quick succession. So after some times, okay, light and darkness followed each succession, each move, each sequence or chain. Okay, the dome-shaped settlement on the moon, which resembled the igloos of the Eskimos, were now visible. Okay, means see here. Uh, See, there were some settlements on the moon. Okay, and she's observing that the dome shaped settlement on the moon, okay, which was appeared like igloos of the Eskimos, were now visible. Means that dome shaped settlement was visible now. Means they just they near to that landing. Okay, so see here, igloos. What is the meaning of igloos? Igloos means the houses of the Eskimos. Houses of the Eskimos. So that dome-shaped settlement on the moon looks like the igloos houses. Okay, like igloos houses means Eskimos. Okay, so after some time, Siley's shuttle made a slow, measure, and safe landing on the moon. Means after some time, shuttle landed on the moon. The door of the shuttle was open and children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. Escorted means accompanied someone. Okay, means with other, accompanied someone. Okay, so airtight means that does not allow air to pass through. Okay, so see, the door of the shuttle opened and the children were escorted through an tight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. Okay, so there was one receptionist. Okay, and she explained all the instructions to the students. Okay, so see, the receptionist at the entrance to the base gave some instructions at the very outset. Okay, she welcomed all the children. Okay, she welcomed all the students to the Neil Armstrong base. Okay, so see here further paragraph. In the further paragraph, I welcome all to the Neil Armstrong base. Okay, so Neil Armstrong, do you know about the Neil Armstrong? Okay, so Neil Armstrong, Neil Alden Armstrong was an American astronaut and aeronautical engineer and the first person to walk on the moon. Okay, he was the first person who walked on the moon. Okay, so Neil Armstrong was the first person who walked on the moon. Okay, so he is the first person to walk on the moon. On July 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong on July 20, 1969. Okay, American astronaut Neil Armstrong stepped off the lunar landing module Eagle and became the first woman to walk on the surface of the moon. Okay, nearly 240,000 miles, 240,000 miles from Earth, Armstrong spoke these words to more than 1 billion people listening at home. That one small step of man, one giant leap for mankind, and he died on August 25, 2012 at the age of 82. Okay, so students, he is the first person who walked on the moon. Got it? Now see, here in this lesson also something is explained about the line uttered word by Neil Armstrong, the one small steps of man, one giant leap. Okay, we will see to further. It is in our story also. Okay, so see here. The receptionist welcome all to the Neil Armstrong base. Okay, and she gave some instructions. Okay, so see here. I welcome you all to the Neil Armstrong base to make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable. Okay, with using that word, she just welcome. I would like you to take certain precautions. Okay, now she is she started to giving some precautions. Okay, so see, precautions means what? Nowadays also we are just taking some precautions. We are washing our hands. We are using sanitizers. We are using mask. Okay, so these precautions. Okay, so we are also taking some precautions nowadays. Precautions means measures taken in advance to prevent something from happening. To prevent something from happening. Nowadays, Corona is going. Okay, so in this pandemic, we are just taking some precautions like we are washing our hands, we are using sanitizers, we are using masks. Okay, we washing vegetables and all these things. Okay, so this is the precautions. Okay, and the receptionist also told some precautions to the students. Okay, so listen carefully to my instructions and please follow them during your stay. Okay, see, the receptionist instruct them, please follow the all the precautions. The precautions were very uh, see here, you know that the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of the earth. Okay, there is difference between the gravitational force. Okay, so see, the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of the earth. Okay, so in the human settlement on the moon, a gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth has been artificially maintained. Okay, so see students, where all the students were living. Okay, that the dome shaped settlement, that human settlement, they just what they did, the gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth has been artificially maintained in that human settlement on the moon. Okay, means whatever gravitational force on the earth, that they maintain on in that human settlement also. Okay, so see, in the human settlement on the moon, a gravitational force is equivalent to the earth has been artificially maintained. They just did that artificially. Okay, they equivalent both the force artificially. Okay, so but outside, see, but outside those settlement, the gravitational force of the moon is at work. Inside the settlements, the gravitational force is like the earth. Okay, but outside the settlements, the gravitational force uh, the gravitational force of the moon is at work. Okay, means it was not like the earth, it was a real gravitational force was the moon. Got it? So you will have to be extremely careful when you roam around there. Okay, means when you roam around outside, when you walk outside of that dome. Okay, you should very careful. The second point uh, to remember is related to the shopping. Okay, so second point she told about the shopping on the moon. Okay, so you all must be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Okay, so what is the meaning of souvenir? Souvenir means a thing that is kept or bought as a reminder of something. So she told that you all are very interested in carrying souvenirs with you at the return time. Okay, please buy the articles only from the shop which are inside the dome shaped settlement. Okay, she just gave them instructions. If you have to purchase something, okay, if you have to buy something, then you please buy it inside the dome settlement, not from the outside. Why not from the outside? Because there is a gravitational force of moon is working. Okay, so she told that please, if you have to purchase something, then please take it inside the settlement, and there you will be assured of genuine articles. Genuine means real and original. You will get the original and real article. Do not buy anything from the unauthorized shop out of the settlement. Okay. I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. She means receptionist told them. Okay. Now see. Further, a jam-packed 3 days program. Okay. So jam-packed means what? Having very tight schedule. Okay. So jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. And according to the earth calculation on the moon, there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. Okay. See, in on the earth, we just differentiate our 24 hours in 12 parts. Okay, 12 hours of daytime and 12 hours of night time. But on the moon, okay, they divided that month in the 15 days, 15 days of daytime and 15 days of night time. Okay, but their trip, okay, the picnic, their trip is a part of the night time. Okay, the 3 days of the trip were going to be a part of the night time on the moon. Okay, so one of the most important program of the first day was Sky Watch. Okay, the first program was the Sky Watch. Okay, on the earth it was usually foggy, means on the earth we usually watch the sky foggy. Foggy means unclear. Okay, and the stars were seen rarely, only very faintly. Okay, there was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. Okay, dazzling means extremely bright. Okay, there was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, okay, the stars shone dazzling means extremely bright. Okay, so the most attractive view was that of the disk of the earth. Okay, from the moon, they are looking the disk of the earth. Earth is look like the disk. Okay, see here, disk. Okay, the most attractive view was that of the disk of the earth. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. Okay, in the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. Okay, so it was also 70 times brighter. Okay, so earth was 70 times brighter, and earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon. Okay, in the earth sky. Okay, the earth light fell on the moon. You know that this beautiful enchanting view made Siley and her friend ecstatic. Okay, so ecstatic means very joyful and delighted. Okay, so this all view of sky, of earth, okay, on the moon, made Siley and her friend very joyful. They fell asleep feeling happy, excited and comfortable at the same time. Okay, now see second day. Okay, so it was a description of the first day. Now see second day, how they spent their second day. So second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. Okay, second day, they kept their second day for the circus. Okay, so one unique feature of the circus was the seating arrangement. Okay, means it was the feature, it was the characteristic of that circus. Okay, was the seating arrangement. How was the seating arrangement? See, the spectators means audience. Spectators means what? Audience. Okay, so audience were made to sit in the tent. Audience were sit in the tent, and the circus was going outside of that tent. Means circus was going outside of the dome settlement, and the audience was sitting in the dome. Okay, high jumps and long jumps were very special attractions in that circle, and one gymnast jumped 27 meters high. Okay, so it was the attraction of that circus. Okay, on both the days, beside the main attraction, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. Okay, and the so it was the it was expected from the students. Okay, teacher was expected from the students that they were spend some time in the self study. Okay, so teacher had assigned them, means teacher gave some assignment to them for writing. Okay, teacher gave writing task of essay, what they have observed, what they have watched on the moon. Okay, so teacher gave that assignment for writing on writing a essay on that. Okay, on the second day, on they have to write of the first day and they have to write of the second day also. Okay, so Siley and her friends had traveled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. Now see about the third day. Okay, so on the third day, their teacher took them to a place of historical importance. Okay, means third day it was of the historical importance. Okay, so 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Okay, before also I told you the Neil Armstrong was the first man, is the first man who walked on the moon. Okay, so 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place, and everyone was looking forward to this visit to the historical monument. Okay, so there was a historical monument. Okay, statue. Okay, of the Neil Armstrong. Okay, it was the oldest place in the history of man on the moon. The first footprint of the Neil Armstrong was preserved. What is the meaning of preserve? Preserve means maintain something in its original state. Okay, so first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land, and beside the footprints was a grand statue of Neil Armstrong, and at the base of the statue were carved the first word uttered by a human on the world. Okay, so see, on the third day, they went on the place where place of a historical importance. Okay, so 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Okay, so everyone was looking forward to the visit of that historical place, and there were a statue. Okay, a grand statue of Neil Armstrong. Okay, and the first footprint of the Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon, and beside that there were grand statue of Neil Armstrong, and at the bottom some words carved, means some words painted there, carved there. Okay, so it was the word of the Neil Armstrong. It is the word of the Neil Armstrong. Okay, so at the base of the statue were carved the first word uttered. Okay, means said. Utter means said by a human on the moon means who? Neil Armstrong. Okay, so what was the word? One small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. Okay, so see here, he uttered the word. Which word? One small step for a man. Okay, one small step of a man, one giant leap of mankind. Giant means extremely big, leap means jump. Okay, one small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. He uttered this word on the moon. Okay, when he went first time. So see, the next attraction of the children was what? Okay, so see here, the next attraction is the space suit. Okay, So next attraction for the children was that they were going to wear the space suit for the first time. Okay, and why they are just going to wear the space suit? Because they have to roam outside experiencing the gravitational force of the moon, because they have to experience the gravitational force of the moon. That's why they just going to wear the space suit, and it was very attraction, it was attraction for the children. Okay, so see, receptionist, okay, teacher also gave some instructions to them here also. So see the instructions: be careful when you walk, dear children. Okay, don't run or sprint means also run. Okay, and sprint means to run at the top of the one speed for a short distance. Okay, so don't run or sprint, you will fall, teacher said. Okay, and teacher was warning repeatedly, but who was in the mood to listen? No one. Okay, because you also, when you just go to the picnic, at them teacher warn you every time, teacher told you every time, don't go there, don't do this, don't. But are you listening? You never listen. Okay, like that also here the student was in mood of very excitement. Okay, and they didn't listen anything, and they just hope, they enjoy, and they ran around on the moon. Okay, so now see further, buy ornaments specially made from the stones on the moon, very cheap, cheaper than those available in the shop in the settlement. Okay, see here, teacher also gave the instruction that if you have to purchase some ornaments specially made from the stone on the moon. Okay, very cheap, cheaper. Uh, okay, but which are available in the shops in the settlement, inside the settlements. Okay, so from there also you have to purchase it. Okay, so cheaper and better. At last, have a look the roadside. Mm, shopkeeper scream at the top of their voice. Okay, so what happened next? There were the shopkeeper. Okay, there was one shopkeeper. Okay, at the roadside. Okay, there were many shopkeepers, but see, here is the experience of the one shopkeeper who was selling the earrings. Okay, so see, he approached to the Siley and display all the sets of shining stones earring to the Siley. Okay, he came towards the Siley, he approached towards the Siley, and he just display all the sets of shining stones earring to the Siley. Okay, and see, while seeing that earring, okay, Siley remember her mother. Okay, because in her journey she just forgot her mother. Okay, in last 3 days, and she felt very guilty for that. Okay, so she just think that she should purchase some that earrings for her mother. Okay, buy this, sister, don't think much, cheaper and better, take it. Okay, so the salesman told her, buy this, sisters. Okay, so see what happened. Siley look around. Okay, means other children which was with her had proceed ahead. All children just proceed ahead. They went ahead. Okay, come on, give me those red rings quick. Siley pointed at them and asked what's the price. Okay, so finally Siley chose one earrings. Okay, one piece of earrings, that red earrings. Okay, and she asked the price. Okay, so the shopkeeper, okay, he told the price, that he replied the price that 1000 rupees. Okay, and she paid the amount, and she ran to catch up with her friend. Okay, so immediately she paid amount and she ran to catch her friends. Okay, so see, after returning the home, what happened? Okay, now after the day they have to return their home. Okay, they came return. Okay, so on the returning home, what happened? See, Sally told her mother very enthusiastically, very happily. She told about the 3 days of picnic on the moon to the mother. Okay, so and she just she told her mother, "Mummy, look what I have brought for you." Okay, so she whatever she just bring, whatever means what earring she brought for her mother, she just show her. Okay, and she told that, "Mummy, see, look what I purchased, what I brought for you." Okay, her mother pick up earrings and she explained, "Hello my dear, how am I going to wear such a heavy earrings?" Okay, means the earrings was very heavy and the mother was unable to wear it. Okay, why the mother was unable to wear it? Because Sally did one mistake. Okay, means after telling the instruction, she just forgot it and she purchased that earrings from outside the settlement, not from the inside settlement, not from the authorized shop. Okay, she purchased that settlement from the outside settlement. Okay, so see, you know that outside the settlement there was a gravitational force of moon. Okay, uh, in the outside settlement the gravitational force of moon was working, not of the gravitational force of the earth. Okay, they maintain gravitational force like the earth in the inner side of settlement, not to the outside. And Sally purchased that earring from the outside of that settlement where the moon's gravity worked. Okay, so see, Sally immediately realized her mistake, and Sally had purchased the earring in the field of the moon's gravity. Okay, and it was a mistake. You know that the gravity of the moon is 1 by 6 to the earth. Okay, gravity of the gravitational force of the moon is 1 by 6 that of the earth. Okay, and she purchased that earring in the field of the moon's gravity. Okay, that's why it was very heavy. Okay, so see here in this chapter the souvenir is about a girl's 3 days trip to the moon, and it has been translated from the story Bhet by Lakshman Londhe. Okay, the writer has imagined that in the future journey, the journey between the earth and the moon would become easier and be the longest possible travel. Okay, so the story follows a girl and the name of that girl is Sally. Okay, who had been sent on the trip by her mother. Her mother sent her on the trip on the moon. Okay, on the moon there were dome shapes human settlement. Okay, where the gravitational force equivalent to that of the gravitational force of the earth was artificially maintained in that dome settlement. Okay, and that dome settlement was looked like the igloos Eskimos. Okay, to keep in mind the difference of the gravitational force between the earth and the moon, and to buy gifts only from the shop inside the settlement. Okay, um, that the teacher they instructed students. Okay, what the teacher instructed students, once they landed, Sally and the other kids were instructed to be careful. Okay, while they roam around, to keep in mind the difference between the earth and the moon. Okay, and to buy the gifts only from the shops inside the settlement. Okay, so see, on the first day of the trip, Sally observed the sky and the earth. Okay, and on the second day, the attraction they observed the circus. Okay, second day was the reserve for the special circus. Okay, and on the third day, the teacher took the kids to the place where Neil Armstrong had landed on moon 100 years ago. Okay, and there they saw a statue, a grand statue of Neil Armstrong, of first footprint of the Neil Armstrong, and the word which Neil Armstrong uttered on the moon, that carved on the moon. Okay, which was his word, that one small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. Okay, so on the day of her return, okay, Sally purchased a pair of stone earrings for her mother as a souvenir from an unauthorized sailor. Okay, means outside the dome. And but on returning home, she realized that they weighed heavier on the earth. Okay, because they were purchased in the field of the moon's gravity, which is 1/6 of the earth's gravity. Okay, so why the earrings was very heavier? Because she purchased in the field of the moon's gravity, which is 1/6 of the earth's gravity. Okay, earth's gravitational force. Okay,